Welcome to Bird and the Like Idioms. My name is Birdie, the lazy sleepyhead. My pal, Petey, will also be here to show you his teeth. Rookery. It means Peniculum. Example. That's a rookery. You don't do that. Run around like a headless chicken. It means Malakikan Suzuatu Dangan Terjeza Saragyatan Saramtangan. Example. Do your job properly. Don't run around a headless chicken. Saskatchewan pheasant. It means Magpie, Urum Hitum Dan Pute. Example. Two Saskatchewan pheasants flew out of the bush. Sitting duck. It means Orang yang tidak muda kuriga, kempeng dilahanji, silang menunggu di serang. Example. The soldier should move from that window. He is like a sitting duck for the enemy. Snowbirds. It means Orang kanaki yang pergi kesalahan selama musim dingin. Example. It's November and the snowbirds are leaving Alberta for Arizona. Stone the crows. It means Ang happening to unikan orang Australia ketika merasa sangat terkejut. Example. Stone the crows. What a huge insect it is. Strut like a crow in a gutter. It means Perlu merasa bangga. Example. Don't strut like a crow in a gutter, because what you have just achieved is just only a beginning. The birdfish. It means Pintu jalar valapan tempat jockeys worship diatas kuda sebelum pertandingan. Example. Tom is preparing himself in the birdcage. The early bird gets the worm. It means Orang yang tidak pertama kali akan mendapatkan hasil. Example. I want to go to the sale at 8 a.m. The early bird gets the worm. Ugly duckling. It means Anak bermuka talk tidak menertian tumbang menjadi cantik. Example. She was really an ugly duckling when she was a child, but now she is quite beautiful. Example. She was really an ugly duckling when she was a child, but now she is quite beautiful. Are you sure you want to call it a day?